Hey there, let's check out what Elle Studio has new for the month of February. First, we're going to start off with the monthly kit. Now this kit is packed just like this, all combined in a little pack. You have your die cuts already cut out for you. All you have to do is punch them out. It's very simple to do. And there are 2 sheets of die cuts, and there are 3 4-inch by 6-inch tags this month. There's the second sheet of die cuts. I love this was a good day, this was a tough day. Tough day is better than saying bad day, in my opinion. I love that purple numbers tag, it's so pretty. And then here's a great journaling one. Here's the story. Perfect for adding a long story to your project. Here are the 3-inch by 4-inch tags this month. There is a rainbow of colors this month, you guys. There's reds, there's pretty coral pinks, which is the new Pantone color of the year, I might add. Currently tagged, that rainbow is just stunning. Red and pink, there's another red tag, a beautiful navy blue, purple, teal. This one combines it all, and I think I'm going to have to use that right away. The Oh Happy Day tag, a pretty stripe, and that polka dot tag is gorgeous. You'll see me use that later this month. So, a wealth of colors and phrases, something for every project that you want to work on. So these are the new currently journaling tags, and you get 8 in a pack. And these are great for adding just a synopsis of what you're loving, what you're watching, what you're doing throughout the month. So think about grabbing those if you do monthly pages. These are the bright die cut labels, and I absolutely love these. Look at how many labels you get in a pack, you guys. There are so many here, and they match all of the colors in this month's kit in the Noteworthy collection. So if you already have that on hand, I mean, these are going to coordinate. They're so fantastic, and they come in different sizes and shapes, which is awesome. These are the new February labels. Again, they match the colors in the kit. They have little icons on them that are so cute. And these are the real life phrase stickers. Lots of versatile phrases for using here on any type of project. They're especially great for traveler's notebooks since they're flat. Okay, let's move on to the On This Day in February journaling tags. Again, you get 8 in a pack, and these are great if you want to do weekly spreads, if you want to do a little mini album for things that happened in February. That would be a great project to do with them. Lots of opportunities for telling different stories in the add-ons this month, which is great. These are the puffy icon stickers, and the colors again coordinate with the kit. They're just gorgeous. Lots of different icons, even a pizza slice. These are the light purple puffy alphabet stickers. Coordinate with all of the other puffy alphabets we have in the shop. This is the happiness acrylic. It's in white, so you can color that with an oil-based marker. These are the little acrylic stars and the acrylic rainbow. Let me show you how you put this together. It might take me just a few minutes to do because there is a trick to it. So when you get it in your pack, you know what to do. So essentially, you want to make sure that the rainbow rays are flat. So you want to arrange them so they make a straight line across. I got to put that purple in there. And it's even hard for me to get it exactly right. Okay, so the cloud points to the left, and then the rays are straight, and then they all fit in just perfectly. There we go, just like that. See a nice straight line. That's how you put it together on your layout. Just zooming in closer so you can see how that looks when it's together. Okay, this is the Oh Happy Day stamp. Lots of those really cool icons again, and I love the prize ribbon. These are the new Janes. These are the numbers. You have dots and stripes this time, which I'm so excited about. So lots of opportunity to fill in your large Jane outline. And then these are the dots for the large Jane. And then you have the stripes for the large Jane. We also have die cuts, you guys, this month. I'm so excited about the wafer thin dies because you don't have to fussy cut them anymore. So be sure to check those out at the link in my video notes. These are the wood confetti. Look how cute these are. You'll see me use these on my layout this month, so check out that video too. Here you can see all of the gorgeous February exclusive kit contents. There are so many different color options here with this kit. You guys will just love it as much as I did. And don't forget about the add-ons. If you want products that coordinate perfectly with your kit, then be sure to check out the add-ons in the shop this month. We also have an amazing range of digital offerings this month to coordinate with the kit. So be sure to check out the link in my video notes to shop and have so much fun creating with your brand new Elle Studio goodies.